Good morning, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview, where it's all about uncomplicated investment, great data, and all the trades you'll ever need. And remember, everything's free. So let's get started. Good morning, today's June 18th, 2019. Stock futures are rallying following dovish comments by ECB President Mario Draghi. Yields on the US 10-year are barreling towards 2%. Wow! All this news ahead of the US Fed decision tomorrow. Look, be careful when simply buying the market here. I know all the signals are pointing to a risk on, but I would be totally selective here. Here's my thinking. Be careful simply buying because the Fed is expected to cut rates. Remember, they aren't cutting rates because things are rosy. Over the medium to long term, that isn't great for stocks. The VIX is down to 15 this morning. If volatility were to drop more, we would look to get long direct exposure to volatility. My two favorite stocks this morning are Metlife, ticker MET, and Domino's Pizza, ticker DPZ. Both are top stock ideas for us this morning and definitely names you should check out. Now, let's get into some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Tesla is revamping its Asia structure to focus more on China. Tesla is eliminating its Asia Pacific unit and creating a new division focused on Greater China. China is the key to Tesla's future as it prepares to start manufacturing cars in China. Tesla's factory in Shanghai is due to start production later this year. This is very interesting news, but that doesn't change my bearish perspective on the stock. Still a top short for me and for Quantamize. FedEx announces it will offer package drop-off services at Dollar General stores starting late summer. FedEx will initially offer the service at 1,500 Dollar General stores and later expand it to all 8,000 stores. This is very interesting news. FedEx is one of my favorite industrial stocks. Continues to be innovative with their best-in-class service. I know it's not worth buying the stock on this news, but it's definitely worth tracking to see if this leads to other business lines. And finally, Facebook officially unveils plans for Libra, its proprietary cryptocurrency. Facebook is launching a secure blockchain-based system that will be backed by hard assets and is designed for mainstream use. A regulated subsidiary called Calibra will manage this business, separating the social and financial data within the company. Calibra will create a crypto wallet to pay for things and send money using Libra. This is really exciting news. You know that I'm a big believer in blockchain and cryptocurrencies. This is a major move forward in making cryptocurrencies more mainstream. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below. Shoot us a tweet or send us an email. Tell us what you think about the Global AM Markets Preview and what else you'd like us to include. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Global AM Markets Preview here at Quantamize.